guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you the ingredients of Sichuan soup. So we only have few ingredients. The first one, of course, we got here sliced chicken, and then this is the main ingredients, and we call this one Sichuan Chai. So this products coming from China. So why it is called Sichuan Chai? Actually guys, Sichuan means it is city of China, and chai is vegetable. That's why this vegetable is very popular in the Sichuan city. And also I'm gonna put garlic and chili. What's the reason why I put garlic? Actually guys, garlic gonna add additional flavor into your soup, and also it's very helpful, so I like to put that one. So now we're gonna start cooking. First step, we're gonna put water into the pot. Okay, then turn on the fire. Then at the same time, I'm going to put the garlic. So we need to get the sauce of the garlic, so it gives us more flavor. So just leave us it until it's gonna boil. Wait until it's boiling. Wait until it boils. So guys, after 4 minutes, so it's already boiling. Then we can add the sliced meat, the sliced chicken. Yeah. A bit of salt, only bit, because the Sichuan chai already got flavor. That's why this is one of the easiest soup as long as you got all the ingredients. So we're gonna wait until it boils again, and then we're gonna add the final ingredients. Wait now. Okay, in 5 minutes, it's already boiling. And we're gonna add the final ingredients, Sichuan chai. Also the chili. Then we're gonna wait until it boils again. So we don't need to boil it much guys. So we just wait until it's boiled, because when actually the Sichuan vegetable, you don't need to cook that much, because just only I think half, so you can feel the crispiness. So after 1 minute, already boiling. gonna add a little bit of salt. Because I cook now a lot than I usual. So I'm gonna put the salt and then we're gonna bring I don't like to overcook the Sichuan Chai. Oh, this is the finished Sichuan Chai Soup. So here, that's it. And then we're gonna add lemon. So to add more flavor. So yummy. So that's it. Hope you like it, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell on. Thank you. Bye bye.